Welcome, kings and queens, if you're new, and welcome back, my royal family, to my Glam home decor DIY vlog video. And today I will show you my Glam guest bedroom tour. Alright, you guys, keep watching. And if you're new, make sure you do subscribe to the Glam Queen DIY. Now you guys, we're going to start this room tour. I am showing you my coverlet that I did put on my bed, and it is the exclusive Marzella. And I actually purchased it through Amazon, you guys. I will include that link down in the description box. Make sure you check out that description box because I keep a lot of useful information for you. And this is my daytime view of this Glam guest bedroom tour. Now you guys, once again, this is my guest room, but in my home we call it TT's room. TT did give her 100% stamp of approval. She also helped decorate the space, but as you can see, we are still using the yellow. As I told you before, you guys, we did use yellow throughout the whole entire house. And you guys, make sure you come back, because since then, this is old to me but new to you, the room has went on another transformation. So please make sure you do stay tuned for that as well. Also, make sure you do come back later on this week, which I think is set for Wednesday to Thursday for my summer home tour, you guys, and you'll see everything that we did in the space as well. But you guys, I hope this did give you some inspiration. Also, I will include the link for the bedding that is also down in the description, and anything that I did put in the space, I will include the links in the description. Make sure you also catch that nighttime view as well. And to you guys, the curtains are from Amazon as well. I will include both links to the curtains down in the description also. And the blind was purchased from Walmart, and it is a cordless blind. I will put that link down there also. The lamps are from my local roses, and they are a cracked glass, but they are gold hue. The vase I did DIY, both vases. The picture actually came from Burlington, and I DIY'd it. Everything that is a DIY, you guys, inside of this video, I will include those links down in the description. And the wall sconces, you guys, are from my local roses as well. And I've had these particular wall sconces, you guys, probably 6 or more years. There's also that lamp bookshelf. I will include that. That was a sponsored item that I received, and I hope you checked out that video from a couple days ago. I will link that as well. You guys, this shelf was a DIY. Please drop me a comment. Let me see down in the comments, and I know you will like to see this DIY, how we done the shelf, and you'll be able to see that as well. And all of the cords, you guys, goes with my modem and my router. The mirror here is a DIY. Once again, all DIYs will be linked down in the description. And here's just another panorama view of the whole entire room with this daytime view. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you do consider subscribing. Here on Glam Queen DIY, we do a lot of Glam DIY home decor ideas. As you can see, you get some extra home decor and room styling as well. We do some budget renovations also. Now you guys, this is our nighttime view. And with the nighttime view, you guys, it is always same space, different time. And I don't know about you guys, but to me, all of your spaces in your home to me gets a more cozier vibe after the sun go down. Let me know if you feel that same way as well down in those comments. And also tell TT hello in the comments, you guys. She did film a good portion of these room tours, you guys. She wants to help film, so she got to film her bedroom. And also, my kings and queens, we are going to be bringing you content every day for the remainder of this month. And also, we're going to be bringing you content every single day for the month of June, you guys. We're still trying to do a content dump so that we don't throw away so much footage that we do have. We are gearing up for the Christmas and July season, but we try to bring you along with us on this other journey we're going on. So make sure you keep watching the channel to see what journey we're bringing you guys along with us. Make sure you drop me the comment. Let me see, so you can see how I created this mirrored bookshelf, you guys. I'm going to create a little quick and simple DIY inside of this video. I'm taking this base from Dollar General and this green trim. I don't want to show it, but I don't want to paint it either. So what I've opted to do is take my crystal diamond rhinestone self-adhesive sheet, and I'm just going to put it on the top portion of the base, as you can see here where that green is, you guys. And then in the event when I want it off, when I do want to showcase the green, because I will, all I have to do is just pull this trim off. So all I'm doing is just adding the trim on, you guys. And this trim is actually from bbcraft.com. I will put bbcraft's information down in the description box as well. But I'm just trimming the top portion of this vase out, you guys, to add elegance to it. The vase does have some writing on it, and the vase says together. I will turn the writing to the back once I place it where it's going. I'm just styling this vase here on this Park Fauna's bookshelf lamp, and I just included my other foliage vase inside of that vase as well. Now here's what it looks like with the decor. And you guys, the shelf is actually cute. I do think I will be picking up me another one of these for something else that I have in mind. Don't forget, the shelf is from Park Fauna. that link is down in my description. In our next upcoming videos, it is my intentions to give you some inspiration several places throughout our videos. A little bit of inspiration in the middle of the video, at the beginning of the video, and at the end of the video, you guys. Well, I don't know who needs to hear this, but you are in the perfect position to get there from here. That's it, you guys. Where you're at is the perfect position for you to reach where you're going. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And you guys, we will see you in the next blessed video.